Hey up YouTuber, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Here, look at this. Anybody guess where we're at? So if anybody's guessed, we're in the Borrowdale Valley. We're just at a little place called Grange. Picturesque little village. Remember coming here, outward bound or something. If I was serving me time when I was 16, 17.
Like and subscribe.
Slippy roads. Slippy polished bloody tarmac. Hellfire. Look at it, like ice. Well, welcome back YouTubers. I thought I didn't know which way we're going to go. It looks like sun might come out again now. I didn't think we were I didn't think we were still recording. I thought the battery had gone, but it hasn't. So we just turned off the road at Holbrook, and we're heading toward, well, we were heading towards Stanton Bridge, but we're not going to Stanton Bridge because we're going to go down here, across here, over to Eskdale. I can't remember not Eskdale. And then we're going to go up over the top of Birker Fell. And I might stop at the, I don't know if they're open. I don't know if they're open today. It could be. I don't have a brew. Might go and have a brew. It's oh, let us pass. No. the Crosby Bake Shed. So yeah, I think it's sort of stopped raining at the moment, in a way. So this is a way that you can get across from east to west in the Lake District. And that's what it looks like this side. So where are we now? Oldbrook, Wastwater, about level with Thirlmere, something like that. This is I can't remember what this is called. Oh. Tell you now, tell you. Yeah. Eskdale Green. This is the place where you'll come to go over Hardknott, which is, which way is it? We're going that way. It's up that way, isn't it? Yeah, that's what it looks like around here. Accelerate, brake, accelerate, brake, accelerate, brake. Should all come here for the Eskdale, Ravensglass Eskdale Railway. I don't know where Mr. Porshman's going. They're going over Hardknott. They're going over Birker Fell. Jesus. I mean, what the fucking guy's dangerous. Yeah, so if you do a left here, you'll end up And then go up Hardknott Pass, Langdale via Hardknott Pass. We're doing a right because we're going up the other side. Which is Birker Fell. Away from that dangerous person. Doing a bit of silage in. Sometimes close this off. Just here, where all the hound dogs are. Are they out today? No, oh, there's one out. Usually quite a few there. There's none today. Get over. There's the road, as you can see, all lit up in the sunshine. Sunshine! Can't beat a bit of sunshine. You stay there, you little bugger. This is a bit bleak over here. Jeez. Why so many cars? Never seen so many. Off. No, Corny Fell's closed off because of the bridge is no longer there. I'm assuming that that's what all these cars are doing, really. road, there's enough room to get past them, but they just don't, and I don't get it. So you have to either sit with them or force your way through, because they have no consideration and they have no understanding of what's behind them. Now, is it because they don't care? They don't know? Or what? I don't know. It's just all a bit weird, a bit selfish. Birker Fell. Don't stray off the path. Ow! Stay there, love. You're not waiting for me. Yeah, if you ever come across Birker Fell and it's a bit better than this, a bit better weather, or if you come over Hardknott and do a left instead of doing a right, and come over this way and back. Just around this corner here, and these two corners here, just here, is the Crosby Bake Shed. Been up here a couple of times, haven't we? Well, it's open, is it? It is open. Get yourself in there for a bit of cake, bit of decent sausage and bacon, big buns, awesome, yeah. And then if you are going to go back over Rhinos, you get to the bottom of here and turn left and go take you right up the valley here, up the Duddon Valley, and get back to Rhinos and back over, or do a right and end up in Boredale, whichever. So yeah, another wet and wild video for you. You thought that was alright? Gives a big thumbs up. And if you just stumbled across this again, like possibly you might have done, you know, gives a sub. And don't forget, if you're riding out there, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. And as they say, we'll see you soon. Yeah. So if you turn left here, get yourself back to Langdale via Rhinos, or go right and end up in Broughton.
Like and subscribe.